This is our final exercise for the final module, Module 4, for the Liferay DXP Fundamentals course. All of the exercises in this module have been fairly straightforward. We have gone and created a number of sites, and we've added pages to one of those sites. Now we're going to modify the existing content on the Livingston Life site on the travel blog page. If you'll remember from the last exercise, we added 2 pages to the Livingston Life site, the articles and travel blog page, and configured the asset publisher to publish either web content or blogs, depending on which of those pages we're on. So here we're going to add a blog, and we're going to modify the travel blog page. It will be up to you to go ahead and play around with the article page, create your own piece of web content as a bonus exercise, and then see if that gets displayed through the asset publisher. Bare minimum on this slide, but all we're going to do is modify the travel blogs page header using some of the assets that are in your exercises folder, and then we'll go ahead and create a travel blog. If you want to take further steps, you can create a digital article with web content to publish on the articles page, as I just said. You can also try your hand at the section builder, which we talked about some on the slides in some of our lectures. So you can create your own page section. Perhaps you can use that to replace the header of either page. You can create more blogs. We're going to create one in this lecture. And you can try to create a different asset type that we haven't covered so far. So let's get to it. I'm going to go over to my browser. I'm on the travel blogs page. How do I edit this? Let me double click. Now I can edit it. Or I can click on it and then press this edit icon. We're going to edit the title to be Livingston Life for our travel blogs page. As far as what this content says here, we'll type inviting you to take a journey of discovery and experience. Let's go ahead and edit the background for this header. I'm going to select a file from my desktop, Module 4. We'll use the yoga JPEG and press add. Perfect. We've completed the first steps for this. Right now there are still no blogs displaying because although we do have blogs created on other websites, there are none created on this site. And again, if you'll remember, assets are going to only be able to be accessed from within the site that they're created, unless they're created on the global site. Let's go ahead and not forget to press publish, otherwise our changes won't be saved. Our page has been published. The only thing we need to do now is go over to content and data under the Livingston Life site and click on blogs. Let's go ahead and add a blog. Let's select a file to display. How about upload an image and choose the Fiji image. As far as the title, we're going to say, I dream of Fiji. The subtitle is going to be a tropical retreat. And as far as the content, let's go ahead and paste the contents of our text file called Fiji.txt. Copy that and put that in the content section. Okay, so we have our image, our title, our subtitle, and that's our whole blog. We'll go ahead and press publish. Let's test it out. So this is going to be local to this site, which is handy, good for organization. We'll press go to site. We see the 2 pages we've created. The article page is still bare bones and there's no blog displayed. And that's what we would expect because we configured it that way. But if we click on travel blogs, we can see, hey, there we go. Automatically it gets published, and we'll see a short bit of the text here. And then we can, of course, click on that blog to get the full content. That's it. Go ahead and take a stab at the bonus exercises. Otherwise, you're done. You finished the course. Congratulations. Hope to see you in another course.